How do you know if you're ready for a full production podcast? Hi, I'm Ernesto from Get Through the Noise. I help professionals fix how they sound and look when trust matters more than referrals. One way to figure out if you and your business, you're ready to embark in creating a video podcast or video content in general is to look at the raw numbers for the business. You want to take the revenue you're getting per year, averaged out per year, and then on average, most businesses are putting in somewhere between 10 to 15% of that revenue back into marketing the business, back into business growth. And so let's just give some examples. If you're, let's say, a single consultant and you're making $300,000 in some high value contracts and so forth, you should be probably working with about a $30,000 budget to grow their business to continue to take you. And that at $30,000, it might have to include some business conferences, some travel, all of those costs associated with getting in front of people, handshaking, and getting to know people. I personally think the better way is to create video content like you're watching right now. And so, can we get to a full production, full podcast? Probably not. We're a little bit tight on the budget there. But what we can do is just get you already going with the right gear so that you're making content on LinkedIn and becoming more and more visible on those platforms. If you're a business maybe in the million or two or three or four, now at 10%, you have some budget room to really consider a potential full production process with us. The argument I always make is the acceleration in the number of people watching you, getting to know about your business is going to be extraordinarily higher than any billboard on the side of a road or how many conferences you got to schlep to and bring stuff. Like just the efficiency of creating content online is going to drive the business growth far better. That's my opinion, my argument, because I have real world experience with my clients. I've been able to transform their businesses just through marketing through video content. If you're interested perhaps in learning a little bit more deeply, I am trying to get this webinar going. There's a little bit of a wait list. It goes through the 5 C's process and I talk about it. Yeah, when are you ready for something like this? Just drop a comment and I'll send you guys the link.